Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix fail to accept a family invite on Steam. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, right here, I would like you to borrow the account of your friend. Okay, go ahead and get the credentials and just log in right here. Okay, log in with your friend's account. For example, this one right here, okay, at the far right is my friend's account. So what you're going to do is just log into that account right here, because Steam would like to think that the borrower is at the same household or using the same Wi-Fi connection. Okay, family invites doesn't work if your friend doesn't live near you or doesn't use the same Wi-Fi. Okay, so what you're going to do is just go ahead over to Steam right here at the top left. For example, again, you've been logged in to your friend's account. Make sure that you log into your friend's account in your computer. So go ahead and go to Steam. Again, settings right here. Now go ahead and go to family. And in here, create or join. Wait for it to load. And under family management, just go ahead and click on create a family. Enter a family name. Maybe just sample, and then hit on create. And then once that's done, what you're going to do is just go ahead and invite yourself. Okay. Search right here, for example, this one, and then invite this adult, invite. And then after that, what you're going to do is just log into your own account, accept the invitation, and after that, you'd be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.